Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video we'll see how to delete an Instagram account permanently. Let's get started. First, I'll show you the account which I'm going to delete. So this is a sample account which I have created for this purpose of this video. So let's see how to delete this account. Open the new tab and go to the link in the description. So if you are using your mobile, you can go to the Chrome browser in your mobile and go to this link. This should navigate to this page. So if it is asking for your sign-ins, directly sign in with your account which you want to delete. So once you sign into the account, it should lead to this page. So once you are in this page, it will ask you why do you want to delete this account. So there are multiple reasons. Select which one suits you the best. So I'll be selecting created a second account and then re-enter the password of this account. So once you re-enter your password, you can click on delete the account name. So before that, you can see here it will be hidden until March 30, that is 1 month of this time, and then it will be deleted on that day. So once you click on delete, it will ask for confirmation. Click on OK. So once you click on OK, it will load and it will show your account will be deleted on March 30, 2023. That is 1 month from this time. So that way, if you want your account back, or you change your mind that you want your account back, you can just log into that account and it will be available for you. But after March 30, if you log into that account, then also it will not be available. So this is how you will be deleting your Instagram account permanently. So let's see if this account is still present. So I'll refresh this account and if you see, the link may have been broken or the account may have been removed. So as we have deleted this account, we are getting this error. So that's how you delete an Instagram account. I hope you guys like this video. Kindly like, share and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.